Oh, look at that. There's my wife working hard. I gotta show you guys. See, I'm a Harley guy. That's my thing. I love Harleys.
And backward.
I love to ride, but this is what my wife has always wanted. And she just loves this thing. Look at her. She's on her mini excavator, cleaning up out front of her business here. Let's see if we can scare her. I'm just showing them your excavator.
You like it?
It's pretty sweet. Yeah.
Pretty good so far. This group way too high over here.
This is her pride and joy right here. This is her little mini excavator that she loves so much. Doing some good work, babe.
It's better than a motorbike.
Like and subscribe.